So hi developers, I am Stone. Today I am going to show you how you can install Scala. So we are going for Scala because my upcoming videos will based on Spark. So I'll be developing Spark application using Scala. So you can use Spark and Python both, and for the Spark application, since Spark is written in Scala and Scala also runs on JVM, and though I am a Java developer, so it will be bit easy for me to write application using Scala. Okay, so let's see. First you have to go to Google and search for Scala, download and go to navigate to this Scala, their official page. Here you can see there is two version is there. One is Scala 2, one is Scala 3. So Scala 2 is already tested, and it is a stable version. Scala 3 is the newest version. So let's go with the Scala 2 only. Currently I am also using Scala 2 only, so let's go with Scala 2 only. So after clicking that, here also you can see there is two option. Using IntelliJ IDE we can install Scala, and through downloading SBD also we can install Scala, but we will leave this all behind. We will go through our Microsoft installer MSI file, so that we can directly install, so that it will be directly set the environment variables for me, because if I go through all those above option, I will be setting up those environment. That is also not an issue, but let's go with this MSI issue. As you can see, I have downloaded this already 2.13.6 MSI. So let's go to this folder. Let's install it. You have to accept all the agreements, and you have to choose in which drive. Basically I mostly use C drive for all those application install. Finish the installation. So let's verify whether the environment variables has been set or not. Let's navigate to the path. So as you can see here, it's already there, Scala bin C86 Scala bin. So let's verify the version also. So we will verify the version Scala hyphen version. So see, you can see as we have downloaded also 2.1.13.1.6, it's already there. So let's see Scala. It will give us some usable trips. Type and expression. Okay, so hence we have successfully installed Scala. So in my next video I will show you how you can install Spark in your machine, in your local machine, so that we can go forward developing Spark application also.